Looking for a premium ice maker that delivers fast, chewable nugget ice right at home? The GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro is built to turn everyday drinks into something way more refreshing and enjoyable. This machine starts producing soft, chewable nugget ice in as little as 6 minutes, so you're never stuck waiting when you need it most. And with a massive output of up to 60 pounds of ice per day, it's perfect for daily use, parties, or hosting guests without running out. What really makes it stand out is the dual water tank system, combining a built-in tank and a detachable one for longer, uninterrupted ice production. You can get over 15 pounds of ice in a single session, meaning fewer refills and more convenience. Despite its power, it runs incredibly quiet at around 40 dB thanks to AI NoiseGuard technology, which actively reduces noise by detecting and preventing internal issues. So you can keep it running in your kitchen without any annoying distractions. It's also packed with smart features. You can control it through an app or voice assistants, schedule ice production in advance, and even get cleaning reminders. The self-cleaning modes make maintenance quick and effortless, keeping everything fresh with minimal effort. The 3.5-pound ice basket, sleek touchscreen controls, and modern design make it not just functional, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen setup. Whether it's iced coffee, cocktails, or everyday hydration, this machine keeps your ice ready whenever you need it. If you want fast, quiet, and smart ice making with minimal effort, this is a top-tier option worth checking out. Click the link below for the best price.